KNW stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So observing No Labs stock, such a bearish trend, honestly. Like, although it's 17% up, I'm just observing it from a higher time perspective. Context, I have done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships, and now just observing KNW. Yeah, ultimately, like, for real, like, for this thing to really shift, it must, like, it must break with a full candle close above 37 cents, because like everything that's below is just a bearish range, and it acts as one. Like, I'm not saying it's not possible, of course it is, but it first needs to show that it's possible and the price actually to start to break. Because I'm not gonna buy like this bearish trend, man, because for how long it has been going down. Obviously, like, your own fundamentals, but this is just my opinion. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.